The number one mistake that I see virtually every repair shop owner make is that they don't have a process or a strategy to actually put car count in their shop. Look, I'm tired of hearing about it. Everyone's telling me about the fact that they're part of a group and, they might do this, or they talk about the KPIs or AROs. Why don't you quit talking about it? Why don't you actually put cars in your shop? Paying customers, good idea, wouldn't it be? Look, it's a very simple process and it's not difficult. When you do this and you actually show an ROI that you're making money, the only other question you're going to have for yourself is, how do I spend $1 million? It's really not that difficult. There's only a couple of steps. That's why I decided to put this brand new masterclass together, where I take 20 years of experience working with independent repair shop owners just like you, helping them get the car count. Forget about the KPIs and all that other stuff and you'll worry about that when you have car count in your shop. Right now, if push come to shove and you had to put an offer together, you would probably look at what the shop down the street's doing, or maybe what the big box stores are doing, or the chains, and you're going to copy that. That's just incest. Is it going to put car count in your shop? Well, don't answer that question. I already know the answer. You've tried it and it doesn't work. So you think I'm trying to sell you some snake oil. That's why I decided to put this brand new masterclass together. First of all, it's totally free, so go ahead and put your wallet away. But secondly, you're going to watch they take over 20 years of experience working with independent repair shop owners and helping them put car count in their shop. Never mind getting in groups and talking and, we're going to worry about profits that we haven't got yet and we don't know how to get, but we're going to worry about them, and let's talk about them too. That'll help, won't it? What do you think this is? Think and Grow Rich? This is about actually putting car count in your shop. And I'm sorry, I apologize. Don't misunderstand my excitement as anger. I'm just excited about the fact that every repair shop owner that's followed this simple strategy where you use your pricing, you're not going to do any discounts, any giveaways. You're just going to put car count in your shop, and then we'll worry about the dollars and cents and the profits. Sound like an idea? Good. So right now, use the link down below. That'll get you on the early bird list. You'll be the first to know when this masterclass is out and available. That way, you'll do something productive with your time instead of talking about dreams and, all these fancy little numbers like KPIs and AROs and all that stuff. Do that now because you're not going to want to miss this. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Can't wait to see you on the next video.